Get ready to witness the wild like never before. Imagine seeing a colossal squid glide near the ocean's surface, or a rare black sea devil anglerfish caught on camera for the first time. Hidden cameras capture elusive snow leopards and jaguars in their natural element, while drones soar above migrating herds for breathtaking views. Even the sounds you hear, like crunching leaves or animal calls, are often crafted by Foley artists to make every moment feel real. But remember, not all scenes are as wild as they seem. Sometimes editing creates drama, so always look for the real story behind the footage. Want more? Hit follow for more wild wonders.